Assalamu alaikum viewers. Uh, Today's reading is about yourself in your relationship, if you are needy in your relationship or not. What is your energy in your relationship? Any kind of relationship, mother, son, or husband, wife, any kind of relationship. You can think of one person, and you can know that how is you in this relationship, what is your energy, are you needy in this relationship. There is two parts, one is the golden matha bindiya and number two is blue matha bindiya. Whichever you are attractive most, choose that one. I am going towards my reading number one. Okay, those who choose the pile number one or this matha bindiya reading, your reading is, you're like a devil in this relationship. You are bonding that person towards you, chaining them, or restricting that person. uh, Maybe you are addicted to that person, or that person is addicted towards you, and you have some kind of mask on your face, and you're watching them, you're blocking them, you're stalking them. uh, Whatever this is, you're not uh, with good hearted, you're not in this relationship with good heart. I think you don't love them. um, you are just attracted towards them. This is also, I think, that sexual energy, and you are blocking them with this thing. Why is this devil card is here in this situation? Why is this devil card is here in this situation? Why is this devil card is here in this situation? Devil card is here in this. Yes, I am definitely. You have 2% in your life, and you want them both in your life, and you are not telling, maybe you are not telling your person that you have two of you, two of them, two persons in your life, and you have to choose one, but you are not planning or not choosing, not deciding anything over here. You want this thing as the way that this is, it's a, you want this thing to be going on like this. 2%, you are bonding 2% with you. Can you see that there's 2 persons, two monsters here? The devil had bond them, chain them with him. Yes, you are a liar, you are lying to them. You don't want to make a decision, you want them both to both with you. Okay, and the first card is, it's tell me about all the reading that you are not good with this person. You are a needy person, you want them both, whereas they both don't want each other, because you, can you see that they both are not looking towards each other, they are looking towards the other directions, they don't want each other, and you are restricting them. This is not good. Yes. Three of Pentacles. Okay, you have to be search for this situation more, a lot. Search for it a lot, think for it a lot. This is not a good thing to happen, and you have to do something about this situation. Why is this Three of Pentacles is here in this situation? Why is this Three of Pentacles in this situation? Why is this Three of Pentacles in this situation? Okay. Yes, you're hiding something, maybe lots of things with your life partner or someone, because you have, I think this is the situation of third party situation. This is a third party situation, and you are not telling anybody that you have the other person. They both don't know that you have other person in your life, they don't know this. Okay, and you're hiding this thing. Can you see this woman holding this mask over her hand. I think that your mask is going to be going out over your face, and your person going to know what are you doing with them. Yes, you can. Can you see that on the hand of that lady, she had her heart tied to her hand, and maybe just like Hindus, Kali Mata, she is going to punish that masked man, that masked man. Whenever she is going to, or he is going to know that you have the other person in your life and you are not telling them about that other person, they are going to punish you. And because of this situation, you are alone in your life, because you don't want to know each of them that you have anyone else with you, and that's why you are um careful that nobody is going to know what you are hiding, and that's why you are like this hermit, alone in the forest, alone in the dark, and have nowhere to go towards uh, to a city, or no one to have with him. You have to decide it, which one you want more, and live with them. Don't balancing yourself with this thing. Or maybe your person is going, they are doing this, you deserve love, you are lovable, but you are doing these things. But when you are balancing these things, you are not going to get get to any solution. You are hanging to this situation like this, and nothing going to happen with this. And when this lady knows that you have the other person, they are going to punish you. Definitely she is going to do something, or he is going to do something. Okay, decide as soon as you can that which one you want, and leave the other person before they know that thing. Okay, you deserve love, uh, you are lovable. That's why universe are telling you, giving the advice to leave one person and only take one person, live with only one person. Okay, you are sweet, someone is sweet to you, or you are a sweet person. Maybe this is, you are a good person, but this situation making you the bad person, like the devil. Yes, you are a good person, don't be like this. Don't waving the two persons in your hand. Decide which one is good for you. And with Eclipse Mermaid, a powerful energy, you will going to have uh, your advice, or you are going to see the which path is good for you and which is not. Soon you are going to be able to decide something. Okay, and whichever you are going to decide, that is good for you. Okay, and this is the reading for you for my pile number 1. You are not the bad person, but this situation is very very bad. This will take you to higher punishment, to disaster, some kind of disaster. Maybe if they both know that you have them both, they both are going to leave you. They both are going to leave you, and you are like this hermit person. Please decide as soon as you can. I hope you like this situation. If this resonates you, please tell me, and like, share, subscribe this reading with lots of love and lots of good wishes. Bye. I am going towards my reading number 2. For those who choose the reading number 2 and the blue color Matha Bindya, your reading is this situation is not going anywhere. You are stuck over here. No abundance, no happiness, no enjoyment, no nothing, not a single good thing in this situation. You are doing something, you are very needy over here. You are not thinking straight, or not thinking wisely. Why is this sun card is upside down in this situation? Why is this sun card upside down? Okay. Uh, I think someone is giving not because you are not good to them. You are not giving them the equal love they are giving to you. You are not loving them. You are they are your lover, or they think that you are their lover, and you are not loving them. That's why this sun card is upside down. And the ace of swords, you are not going to start something new with them. You don't want to start something new with them. Why is this ace of swords is here? And I also think with seeing with that nine of cups that you are not happy with that situation, and also don't like them. Your wishes are not going to come true. Yes, you are seeing this whole situation upside down perspective, the wrong perspective. And five of cups, you are not happy with this situation, and you are mourning about that situation. You want someone else, and someone else is giving to you. You are crying over that situation, and this situation is giving you the lots of burden. That's why you are not you not want to start anything with them. Okay. And with this card, um, you are thinking about someone else. You think that they are your desire, they are your love, they are everything for you, and this person is not. Yes. You, if you are marrying them, you are just married for their maybe they are a wealthy person, they are a rich person, and you want their money. Yes, I think that's the situation. And you in this situation, you think that your wishes are not going to come true. You are stuck over here. Your hopes are drowning, or your hopes are ending over here. Okay. With this, stay optimistic about your love life. This is upside down. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. This is the advice for you. Okay? Stay positive. You have to stay positive. But this is upside down, that you are not staying positive in this situation. But you have to be stay positive in this situation. Okay? If you want to get something better for you. Okay? Okay. You are not good happy with this situation. You are not positive with the situation. You are not thinking that this is positive situation. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate, and with this upside down, you don't want this soulmate with you. You don't think that this is your soulmate. You don't want this person in your life. Whatever no I think they are your soulmate, but you don't want them in your life. Deception. Something is, what is this? Wearing a false self mask in this situation, in this relationship, and you are going to remove this mask. You are going to tell them that you are not happy with this situation. You don't love them. You don't want them. Okay. Honeymoon, and enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. I think had married them, and now you want to leave them because you are not happy with them. You love someone else. You have someone else in your mind. Six of Pentacles. You want to give your all love, your all happiness, your all hurt to someone else, and this is not the person you want to give that thing. You're not happy with them. I am looking. I am seeing with this card that your marriage is going to break. You're going to divorce them. If you are married to them, someone is married to them, and they want to, definitely this reading is about your relationship, and you are going to leave them. Okay, this could be the one, and this could be the one for you, but you are not happy with them. Or else this situation is the other person is good for you, someone else is good for you, and this all calls for them. They are your soulmate. You want to spend your happy time with them. You think that they are the good one for you. This person is not good for you. Some miracle is going to happen over here. Something is going to change over here. You are going to have something better for you, something good for you. Okay, the storm angel, you are your illusions of beliefs, styles, attitudes, and energies. Maybe this is the person. This is they are very different to you. Yes, they are very different, and that's why you are going to leave them and going towards someone else. Okay, what is going to happen in this situation? What is going with my pile number 2? What are they going to do with this miracle card? What is the miracle for them? I need to see. No. Okay. You are going to leave this situation. You are going to leave that person. You are not happy with them, and you are going to break your marriage life with them. You are not happy with them. You are going to do it. You are very stubborn over here. You are going to win that person. You have all the luxury, all the happiness in your life, but you are still thinking of someone else. Yes, you are thinking of someone else with love, with passion, with all your energy, and you don't want this person anymore. You want to start something new with someone else. And Page of Pentacles. Yes, you are thinking about someone else. You have them in your hand. This person, you have them in your hand, but you are thinking of someone else. You are seeing towards someone else. You want someone else, and your loyalty is towards someone else, because this dog is seeing towards this bone. Okay. Yes, you are definitely going to leave that person. You are not going to live with them anymore. This is your reading. You are who is needy in this situation. Maybe it's good for you. This situation is good for you. You are a loyal person, because this card is upside down. You are not having the mask on your face. You are not telling them the lie. You are not lying to them. You are telling them the truth, that you are not happy with them. Please leave me. I'm not happy with you, and I am never going to be happy with you. Please, if you want your happiness, your good time, then leave me. You are directly going to talk to them. Yes, this is you are a good person, not bad, but they are going to have a heartbreak, but you are not hiding something from them. Okay, this is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. If this resonates to you, please tell me in comment section, and please like and share and subscribe my readings. This will make me happy. If you want to give me little bit happiness, please like, share, subscribe it, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.